Okay gang, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, untuk video kali ni, aku ada dekat Trident Petaling Jaya gang, bersempena dengan event pelancaran dua motosikal terbaru daripada Trident dan juga Aprilia. So, nak tengok motor apa? Stay tune sampai hujung video gang. Jom.
Thank you again for being here today for our Trident 660 media preview. So, as mentioned, first and foremost, we would like to express our sincere and heartfelt gratitude from DD Group to our fellow medias, content creators and guests alike. Your presence here signifies the success of the preview.
I believe the instruction was no speech one. No. So I was put on the table for unknown reason. Okay, thank you very much everybody for coming today. Coming to this MotoGP weekend and so forth. I believe today is also a very busy schedule for most of you. We would like to thank all of you for attending today's media preview of the Trident and then subsequently the next one. Today, I think this product that is previewed today is something unique. All right, I'll leave to Jessie to say more about the product, or is it Chris to say more about the product?
Hi guys, thanks for coming. I know it's a very last minute invitation, but I'm very happy with everyone's turned up. Seriously, I'm very happy for it. Actually, today is we're introducing the new Trident, but yet it's not really that new because this model is already out in the market. But it's a new facelift from this model to upgrade for our what do you call that? It's a more upgraded version of a new Trident. Okay, so later on we will have my technical team to explain what is the upgrades for that bike. So we have more technical information on that. Okay, and
I believe the Trident 660 is a very important product lineup for Triumph, especially in Malaysia. It's one of the best-selling middleweight naked bike.
Yeah.
All right. The enhancement that's done to the bike is after hearing from 2021, the product, the enhancement were built on feedback from the market and customers. All right. Feedback from market and customers. For example, you will find a couple of features inside there. For example, like cruise control.
This one we will review
later. All right. So these are things that they hear and improvement. But the best part is the price would be almost remaining the same. All right. Even with the currency fluctuation. Of course, today we are much better in the currency. But nevertheless, it is a product value. And at Triumph Malaysia, we did not increase the price. We still remain our consistency throughout this fluctuation. All right, but today we are also bringing the same value, same product, with better, I believe, the color scheme and so forth. I believe I'll leave it to you later. All right, to that, I would like to thank you very much on behalf of DD Group. We would like to thank everybody for your continuous support to us. Without you all, I don't believe we have traveled so far. All right, I would like to thank everybody on my video. Thanks.
Round of applause, everybody. Round of applause.
the price for this new Trident is 46,900 ringgit. For the body price, okay? So the previous price is 45,900, but we only have 1,000 different with all the features that you needed. Later we will know what is the features they're going to be on this new bike. And then it consists of 4 different colors. We have black, we have red, we have blue, and the yellow one. So, and this bike will also be displayed in the coming Moto Fest event at Gamuda Cove. So we will be displaying this bike there. Hopefully all my media darling can help me to ride on it or inform the public to see this bike during the Moto Fest event on Friday until Sunday. Thank you.
Okay geng, so inilah dia Triumph Trident 660 2024. Ni adalah model facelift yang dibawa masuk oleh Triumph Malaysia. So motor ni adalah motosikal naked yang menawarkan keseimbangan antara prestasi dan juga keselesaan. Kalau kita tengok rupa daripada luaran ni, dia dah gabungkan antara klasik dan juga moden. So daripada segi rupa, dia datang dengan rupa yang klasik tetapi penuh dengan teknologi yang moden. So apa spek yang ada pada motosikal ni? Jom kita tengok. Untuk Triumph Trident 660 ni, engine capacity 660cc Ada liquid cool, 3 silinder, 12 valve dan juga double overhead cam. Maksudnya, kena kata bila ada Dodge ni, dia punya torque memang padu. Dengan kapasiti 660cc, dia mampu menghasilkan kuasa maksimum sekitar 80 horsepower pada 10,250 rpm. Selain itu juga, dia punya torque sekitar 64 Nm pada 6,250 rpm. Dengan kekuatan torque macam ni, dia dah dapat beri pecutan yang sangat-sangat responsif kan. Untuk bahagian clutch plate pula, dia datang dengan wet and multi plate dan juga dia ada slip dan assist clutch. Ini best untuk yang kaki corner, nak ambil corner dia ada slip clutch. Yang ni memang best. Tak cukup dengan itu, ditambah pula dia datang dengan 3 riding mode, iaitu rain, road dan juga sport. Memang lengkap guys. Okay, so untuk bahagian tayar pula, untuk tayar hadapan saiz 120/70, rim 17 inci. Untuk tayar belakang saiz 180/55, rim 17 inci juga geng. Untuk sistem brake di bahagian hadapan, dia pakai saiz 310mm, 2 piston sliding calipers. Manakala di bahagian belakang, dia menggunakan single piston saiz disc 255mm. Ok geng, so dah settle pelancaran motor terbaru daripada Triumph, iaitu Trident 660. Yang ni Trident 660 ni orang kata apa, yang facelift lah. Okay, so untuk model facelift, so rakan-rakan media pun tengah review lagi, nampak tu tengah masing-masing tengah sibuk review. Lepas tu ada yang editing lagi lah. Okay, so selepas ni, video selepas ni kita akan ke Aprilia punya event launching pula. Yang ni menarik geng, so stay tuned for the next video. Jangan lupa like, komen dan juga subscribe geng. Okay, kita jumpa di next video. Assalamualaikum, bye bye, ciao.
Yeah.